Alright guys, the first thing we're unboxing is this Godox SL series. This is the Godox SL 60 watts light, and it is the white light as well. Okay, now once you open up the box, the first thing you would find is obviously the user manual, which I know that a lot of us do not read, because how I wanted to read all these plenty things, but once I confuse now, I go remember. But anyways, the next thing is this power cable, which I find very impressive, especially because of the length. You know, it is really long. You can plug it, you know, to a distant cable or whatever. You know, the next thing you'll find is the actual light. Guys, I've seen some people say that there's remotes in theirs. I did not find any remotes, but yeah, this is the light in itself. Okay, and I'm just showing you guys some of the written things on it. Okay, now to open this up, I'm just showing you guys how to do it, because this is the actual light and that cap is just to protect the light. Okay, that's how to cover it back. And of course, this is the bounce mount. This helps you bounce lights. If you want your lights to, you know, face a particular place, then yeah. Now this is the ULANZI light. This is an RGB light. This is the VL110 light. Okay, this has like different colors, you know, which is why I bought it specifically for the purpose of my background. You know, sometimes I like all of the lights. Of course, you can see the manual again, and then the charger just has a cable. All right, now this in itself is the light. Okay, yes, it is small, but trust me, it is mighty, because I love the output in terms of the lights. I'm going to dim all the lights now to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, now of course you can see it has several colors. All you have to do is to, you know, control it, you know, depending on how hot you want it to be or how bright, just depending on what you want, the mood you're going for. Next thing are these microphones, which I got. Guys, to be honest, these microphones in my opinion are trash, because tell me why I have a microphone that cannot reduce external noise. I mean, no offense to ULANZI, but this mic, in my opinion, is trash. Okay, I bought this, but it was a terrible buy. In my opinion, do not buy this particular mic. ULANZI has other mics which you can get, but this one is a no-no if you're looking to get complete, well, not complete, but at least a reasonable amount of external noise reduction. This doesn't do it. Okay, I mean, it looks cute and all of that, but yeah, the output is just really whack, really whack in my opinion. Next thing is of course the softbox. This is the Lantern Softbox, which I will be using alongside the Godox SL 60 watt light. Okay, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, you know, off of the bag. So once you bring it out, you find the stand for the, what's it called now, for the lantern in itself, right? So this is what we're going to, I'm going to show you guys that in a bit, but I just want you guys to see how it comes. And of course it comes with a diffuser, which is really important and really key when it comes to your lights being soft on the subject. Okay, so now we're just going to set this up. I'm going to show you guys, you know, how to do that. You know, it has like a hook thing in there, which is why I'm showing you guys that. So now this is me just setting it up. Yes, you need more power to press that thing down until it clamps together, just like so. And then of course, now that you can see what it looks like without the diffuser, we're going to wear the diffuser over this. Yes, better, yeah, or cover. Okay, and then of course set that right back on. Okay, now our lantern softbox is ready to be clamped to the Godox SL 60 watts light. Okay, yes, right now I'm just setting up the light on the stand. My light did not come with a stand. I mean, you have to buy the stand separately. I already had a stand, so I didn't have the need, you know, for another one. Okay, so this is me just showing you guys how much you can tilt this, you know, all the way and then just make it firm. Again, I'm showing you guys how to take that light off. So you need to pull that back and then tilt, pull out. It's just that easy. Again, I'm showing you guys, you have to move that backwards and then tilt the cover, the cap, to come out, right? That way, tilt and out. It's really that simple, and it's the same way when you're fixing your softbox to this. Okay, again, you can see how long the length of this cable is. You know, it's really long, and I love it. And it comes with a 2 mount thingy, not 3. All right, now you can increase this up until 100%, which I barely do because, guys, this light is really bright. Okay, so the same way you took out the cap and fixed it back is the same way you're going to fix the lantern to it. Okay, it's just the same way. Pull and tilt. All right, now that this setup is complete, I'm going to turn off all of the lights here so you can see how bright this is. And guys, trust me, this wasn't even the highest. All right, so let me know if you guys enjoyed watching this video. Okay, bye.